Hello kids, welcome to maths class. Today the topic of our learning is fractions and objective of our today's learning is to know how to write a fraction in words and how to write in numerals. Now let's start with how to write in words in three ways. Children, the utmost thing which you have to remember is when numerator is 1, then we do not add s with the denominator while writing in words. For example, 1 upon 5 is given. How we will write it? We will write 1, that is numerator, hyphen fifth. FIFTH, that is denominator, and we will not add s with it because numerator is 1, and the other two ways are 1 upon 5 and 1 over 5. That means 1 is upon the 5. Upon we can also call that line between 1 and 5. Our next example is 1 upon 8. Again numerator is 1, so we will write 1/8. Next is 1 upon 8 and the third one is 1 over 8. Remember, do not add s with the denominator. Third example is 1 upon 2. Children, 1 upon 2 is the only fraction that is known as half. HALF, half. Other two are 1 upon 2 and 1 over 2. Children, now second thing you have to remember is when numerator is greater than 1, that means when numerator is not 1, then we will add s with the denominator. Now it is the opposite of the first example. You have to add s when numerator is not 1. So our first example is 3 upon 8. So what we will write? 3/8. EIGHTHS. Now I have added s with the 8th. Next are 3 upon 8 and 3 over 8. Why? Because 3 is greater than 1. Second example is 5 upon 9. Again we will observe that numerator is greater than 1. So we will add s with the denominator word. 5 will remain 5 and 9 will become ninths. 5 ninths means fifth part of the ninths. So NINETH. The other two ways are 5 upon 9 and 5 over 9. Children, it is just like you get the marks from your teacher. Now let us have the copy approach of the same sums. Okay children, now first of all take a new page in your copy, draw margins, write down date, homework. Now our exercise 1 of fractions is write in words in three ways. That means we can write a fraction in words in three ways. Let us suppose our first sum is 1 upon 3. This is our sum. Now how can you write it in copy in three ways? First of all, leave one line, write down number 1. 1 is the numerator and 3 is the denominator. And we all know that if numerator is 1, we will not put s with the denominator. For example, you will write 1 third, THIRD. You will not add s with it, like this. Now again, leave one line, number 2. How can you write it in another way? 1 upon 3. That means like this, 1 upon 3. In this you will not write third. THREE. And leave a line, number 3. You can write it as 1 over 3. Like this, THREE. as 1 is over 3? Yes. Now let us suppose our one more example is 3 upon 4. Now numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. Numerator is more than 1, so we can add s to it. How will you write? First of all, you will write numerator, that is 3 fourths, F-O-U-R-T-H, and now we will add s to it because numerator is more than 1. Number 2, 3 upon 4. Now children, if you don't have space here, go to your next page and write down number 3. That is 3 over 4. F-O-U-R, like this. So children, keep in mind, if the numerator is 1, you do not add s, and if numerator is more than 1, you can add s with the denominator. I hope you are clear with writing words in 3 ways. Now children, let's learn how to write in numerals. Now first of all, our example is 1/4. Now 1/4 is given. Why? Because numerator is 1, so 4th is given. 1 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So we will write it like this. Next example is 8 out of 12. Children, do you remember your teacher used to give you marks like this? That you have got this much out of this much? Similarly, 8 out of 12 means 8 upon 12. Third example is 6/8. Now with 8, I have added 6. Why? Because numerator is more than 1. So we will write it as 6 upon 8. Now let's see the copy approach of same sums. Now children, take a new page, draw margins, write down date, homework, and now our exercise is exercise 1, write in numerals. Or the sum can come as write in figures, but this is one and the same thing. Let us suppose our first sum is 6 out of 10. Children, do you remember when your teacher give you marks and she tells you that you have got 6 marks out of 10? So how does she write? So leave a line. How will you write it? Or you can write it here also. 6 out of 10. That means you have got 6 marks. 6 will be the numerator and 10 will be the denominator. Remember, your one number should come in one box. Now let us take one more example. If it is written half, then as we have learnt earlier, half can be written as 1 upon 2. It can come in either way. Now again leave a line, and next sum is 3 upon 9. How will you write it? 3, that is numerator, upon, that is line, 9, like this. This is the way you can write in numerals. Let us take one more example. Leave a line, number 4. What example we should take? Okay, let us take 1/9. Now children, it is given ninths because numerator is 1. So how will you write it? 1 upon 9, like this. I hope you are clear with the topic write in numerals. Children, I want you to keep practicing the sums given in your SNAP homework. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye class. Thank you.